What you saying, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management. It is Motivation Monday, and as always, just like every single Monday, I'm here today to motivate you guys. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about a couple different things. Most importantly, I want to ask you guys a question, and that question is, what are you doing with your phone? That's what I want to know today. What are you really doing with your phone? And the reason this is a Monday motivation is because there are a lot of different people in this world who use their phone for different things. That's perfectly normal, that's perfectly fine. But I want to ask you again, what are you doing with your phone? So I'm just letting you guys know, in today's video, you can expect a few controversial points. You can expect a few different topics which maybe would upset you, maybe, I don't know. So like I said, this video might be a bit difficult for some of you to swallow, it might be a bit difficult for some of you to understand, but it's got to be done, it's needed today. Because we all have phones, let's be honest. Most of you guys are probably watching this on your phone. If not on your phone, then maybe your laptop. But we all have phones, I'm pretty sure of that. And in this day and age, we all have smartphones. That's the key point here. That's why I'm asking you guys, what do you do with your phone? Because when you look at it, there are two different types of people in this world. 90% are one kind of person and 10% are the other kind of person. So we're going to go over that, we're going to go into more depth, we're going into more detail and find out exactly what you guys are doing with your phone, find out what you guys need to be doing with your phone, and most importantly, establish what you guys should be doing going forward. Now before we get into that today, I just want to say a few things. Make sure you guys check out those links in the description. You got my newest smartwatches, so check them out. Add to that, make sure to give me that thumbs up, leave a like, comment on the video if you're new around here, comment if you've been around here, comment whatever you would like, subscribe if you're new around here, hit that red button below, and most importantly, share these videos with your friends so we can find out what they are doing on their phones. So when it comes to your phone, are you wasting time, being unproductive, just going through the motions? Or instead, are you learning to invest? Or are you investing in itself? Are you playing games? Are you on different apps, just having fun? Fruit Ninja, Temple Run, whatever they've got in there, I don't even know. Or are you selling items? Are you listing products? Are you trying to make sales? Are you watching Netflix, watching Hulu, watching movies, watching videos? Or are you trying to find some kind of freelancing gigs? Find different places you can work, find different ways to get yourself some income. Are you following other people, trying to see what they're doing in their lives, keep up with what they're doing on their day-to-day basis? Or are you creating your own content? Are you being the creator instead of the consumer? Are you on your phone continuously scrolling through each and every feed on Twitter, on Snapchat, on Facebook, on Instagram? Or are you finding items you can flip? Are you networking? Are you marketing? These are the questions you need to ask yourself today. And again, I'm going to go back to the two different people because there are two different types of people. And let's just address those right now. So we have 90% of people. And what do these people do? They use their phone to go on Netflix, to scroll through social media, to watch YouTube, to surf the internet. And quite frankly, there's nothing wrong with that. But these are the same people who do that most of the time. Most of the time during the day, they do that. They're just consuming. They're just getting that dopamine hits. They're always on their phone, but not really being productive. Now you have the other 10% of people. And what do these people do? They're on their phone, yes, as well. But these people are learning skills, networking, selling stuff, making money. And we all have the decision to do what we want. That's why I'm telling you guys today, in this Monday motivation, my aim here is to make you guys become part of that 10%. Part of that 10% who uses their phone to go on social media. But when they're on social media, they're networking. Part of that 10% who use their phone to go on Instagram. But when on Instagram, they're creating content for other people. The 10% that are on YouTube, but for the right reasons. Not the 90% that are on Netflix or Hulu or whatever app or surfing on the internet. You need to be on the right side today. You need to be on the correct side. And that's why I'm here to tell you again today. You guys have to realize that technology in this day and age is a huge part of our life. Technology has become a part of our everyday lives. 15 years ago, technology was not a part of my life. I might have been on the PlayStation 2, but barely anything else. 10 years ago, same thing. It might have been on a laptop, go on to MSN or Facebook, every now and then. But it wasn't as big part of my life as it is now. So we all have the gift, and it's not a bad thing. We all have the gift of having gadgets. I love it. We all have the gift of having gadgets. But what are we doing with those gadgets? That's what I'm asking you today. Again, what are you doing with that? What angers me is many people say they don't have the opportunity to better themselves. They don't have the time, they can't be productive. And the problem with that is most of us have smartphones in this day and age. So how do you not have the time? How do you not have the opportunity? How do you not have the tools? Well, it's a very simple reason. And that simple reason is that you are using your smartphone for entertainment purposes and solely entertainment purposes. On the other hand, you could be using your smartphone as technology to learn a new skill, to help others, to solve problems, to create a form of income for yourself. Today, I just want to emphasize to you guys that your future is literally in your hands. When you pick up that phone, your future is right there. The time you're spending on the phone, some of you guys have some crazy screen time. You guys need to understand that. That's slowing you down. That's holding you back from reaching where you can actually reach, from getting where you deserve to get to, from getting where you would be if you put in the time in the right way. We're so lucky, we're so blessed to live in this day and age. Yes, I know there's a lot going on right now. There's protests, there's pandemics, there's all sorts going on. But that being said, you have the tools. Most of you literally have a Samsung or an iPhone or an Android, whatever you may have, which holds the key to your future. And yes, I know that, getting a job is good, making money that way, learning from college, from school, you can do all that. There's nothing wrong with that. On the other hand, you can still do all that kind of stuff from your phone. It might not be as high quality, it might not be the best, but it's definitely there. The option is definitely available to you guys. I make money from my smartphone. How? In a few different ways. And you guys can do the exact same thing. Now, it might not be, enough to live off of for the next 10 years, but it's definitely an increase in your income. It's definitely another form of income. It's definitely increasing how much money you earn each and every month. When you're increasing your revenue and you're spending less, not a lot can go wrong. When you continue to increase your revenue, you continue to bring it in different forms. You continue to network, market, reach out to new people, create content. A lot can go right, and you guys need to realize that. So again, pick up your phone and think to yourself, what are you doing? Are you on that side who's using it to watch Netflix, to entertain yourself, to waste time, to play games, to keep up with series, to watch movies, to follow other people, to watch other people, to talk about other people, to continue scrolling endlessly? Or are you that person who's learning to invest, who's trying to invest in some stocks, who's paper trading, who's selling products, who's doing some freelancing, who's creating content, who's listing items to flip? And again, like I've said before, many different times, I've done most of the things I just mentioned. I've flipped items purely from my phone. I've created content purely from my phone. I've sold products, not only smartwatches, but other products on Facebook Marketplace purely from my phone. I've invested in stocks, earned dividends, made gains purely, again, from my phone. I can do it, you guys can do it too. Make progress this week. Do something better. If you've not been using your phone in the right way, now's the time to do that. Use me as motivation today. Use me as your motivation today to do that. I'm telling you, just try it out for a little bit and see what kind of results you get. If it doesn't work for you, don't worry. It might not work straight away. It might take time to build up. There's no better time to do that than now. Manage your time properly. Don't be too focused on being busy and being busy on doing all sorts of stuff on social media. Be productive with your time. Use it in the right way. Use it to benefit your future. As always, I'm here to help you guys become better, to help you guys increase your income, help you guys become more knowledgeable, close to financial freedom, more control of your time, close to success. So help me do that by helping yourselves. I cannot stress how important it is for you guys to do this, honestly. And I'm going to keep saying it. Do this to help yourself. Start your own business. Create your own Instagram page. Create your own YouTube channel. Make videos, create content. Use your time wisely. Network, market, sell, freelance. Use your skills to the best of your ability and watch how things change for the better. So as always, it is a new week. Go out and be great. At least do that for yourself this week if you can't do anything else. Overall, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and as always, make sure to comment, like, subscribe, all the good stuff like I said at the beginning of the video. Furthermore, check out the links in the description. We've got my smartwatches, Timegate watches. You can be an affiliate for us, make some more money from your phone. We've also got cryptocurrencies there, get some free Bitcoin. We've got a free stock if you sign up on Robinhood as well. Lastly, that first link in the description is a free guide to starting to make your first online profits. So go check that one out. And as always, my socials are there, so check those out as well. But that is it for today's Monday motivation, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Tomorrow is another day, so make sure you guys are back here for that one. But I go into making, use your time wisely, use your phone wisely this week. See you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.